family. And anything I'm doing and I see people, I'm complete. I feel very happy. I'm 58. And I said that even if my life ends today, that I'm happy that I've been able to do a few things that are important to help advance the cause of humanity. But I don't want to die now. That's what I told God in the church this morning. I said, God, I don't want to die. I want to live some more years according to their will for me. But I won't be in a hurry to go because I don't like the situation of my people in Nigeria. The Igbos of Nigeria are still suffering.
There's hope. And you've done a lot. There's hope.
The land office of Niger.
There's hope. And you've done a lot. You've done a lot.
Igbos.
Igbo bagulere.
Igbo bagulere. Ndi Igbo.
Ude eji agbo agụ.
A lot of our people have gone. Ojukwu did not see the day our people will be free. He didn't see it, he died. Alex Ekwueme tried and died. So many people have died. And every day it continues to look more difficult in this country. It's not good at all. So I ask God for more years. Let me see if I'll be alive to see a change. I want a time in Nigeria because you cannot go by force. Our people cannot go away by force. It's not possible. I've seen it, I've checked all this. The only thing that would be good for us is to be part of Nigeria, would be given accommodation that we deserve. This is my greatest problem. And I don't want to die, and our people will remain like this. I don't want to join the rank of the dead with Igbo still struggling in Nigeria. So my prayer to God is, since it's difficult for them to allow us to go and stay on our own, let us accommodate our people. We are prepared to live with the rest of Nigerians, but in an atmosphere of equity and fairness. Every day, I see a lot of things happening in this country, and we'll continue to be treated as if we are not equal partners in Nigeria. We are. The Igbos are equal partners in Nigeria. We have so much to do to help Nigeria survive as a country. In terms of leadership skills, we have men in abundance from Igbo land. We have intelligent people. Why are we being excluded in national affairs? Why? I couldn't go back to the Senate last year. So many things were put on my way because I knew what I was going to do if I had gotten back. I warned them when I was leaving the Senate in my valedictory section, in my speech. I told them, please, find accommodation for everybody in Nigeria. Here, in appointments, in sharing of anything. Because I knew that what was happening before will continue. And suddenly, this year, there was a loan to the $2.7 billion. I was in America. I saw it. There was nowhere, nothing was put in Southeast Nigeria. The place shook a little with flashes of hope that it cannot be done. Senate passed it. The House of Reps said they will not pass it. I was very happy. And the House of Reps said it's because Southeast is not accommodated, they will delay it. I waited with measured hope because I know Nigeria. It didn't take time. House of Reps passed the thing without doing anything. So this type of thing is not good. When you are knowing that something is not good, don't allow it to continue to happen. So you people are young. You are younger than me. You have more years ahead for you to work, both for your kinsmen, the Igbo people, and Nigeria. We don't want this to continue forever. Of course, we have had it now. I've been reading in the papers. I have no platform to speak. If it was when I was national chairman of ABGA, all these things I confronted them in the national papers and televisions. I'm not in the Senate, so the platform is not there. But I'm still alive. So some of these things they do, knowingly that the things are wrong, will continue to pull us back. If you know that something is wrong, don't ever allow it to happen at all. 2023 is coming. They're talking about presidency now. The Southeast people have put up a lot of people who are reaching out to me. Many organizations and groups are agitating for Igbo presidency. I have also seen some prominent Igbo people say that what the Igbos need is not presidency. Can people who talk like that be described as human beings? You say that your people don't want to be president of Nigeria. Please, we want to be president of Nigeria. Is there anything wrong with that?
No.
The Igbos are qualified to lead Nigeria at the highest level. So when I see people who are of great age, people who have seen it all, say that the Igbos don't want to be president. It's not what they want. Yes, we want a restructured Nigeria. That is number one. But we want to be president if Nigeria is still in this form. Are we the ones that will go and tear Nigeria apart? So it's going to come with time. A restructured Nigeria will be a better Nigeria. But in the absence of restructuring at this time, we desire to also produce the president of this country. Anybody who says to the contrary, I disagree with the person. We have seen it happen. The presidency has been going between the north and the south, but it is the north, the southwest, and the south-south, and no southeast in it. Where lies the justice? Where lies the equity? Where lies the fairness? We're talking about equity and fairness as the only panacea to all the agitations in Nigeria. Let us accommodate everybody in anything that is important. Not that when Igbo man becomes president, he will become the president of Igbo people. No. Or he will become the politic. No. But there's a sense of fulfillment that what goes around comes around. So I want you to go out today with my own message on this my 58th birthday. My desire is that our people should be given full accommodation in Nigeria. The civil war has not ended. It is time to end the civil war in Nigeria. And the only way to end the civil war is by changing the attitude of some people in Nigeria towards the Igbo people. It's 50 years ago the war ended. Still, we are still being punished for the war. Yes, the coup of January 15, 1966. They've been pointing out to us as our greatest sin as a people. Many of you were not born that time. But the truth Nigeria needs to hear is that the Igbos foiled the coup. That very coup. The Igbos foiled it. Ojukwu, who later led Biafra, was against the coup. Ironsi, who emerged the head of state, was against the coup. Many Igbo officers were against the coup. Otherwise, if Ojukwu had supported the coup wouldn't have failed. From Kano, he refused and called Nzogu that they should put a stop to this. So why will people today continue to fight all of us because of that coup, when the same coup was foiled by the Igbo officers in high command in Nigeria? So whatever that has happened, the people who see it as a means of always looking at us as evil people, they should see it as an accident in the history of Nigeria, and not all the Igbo people supported the coup. Biafra came because in retaliation, Igbos were massacred. And when the Igbos were being massacred everywhere, Ojukwu, who was then the military governor of Eastern Region, tried to negotiate to stop the genocide against the Igbos. Went into round-table discussions, including in Aburi. All the agreements reached there were abandoned when they returned. And the killings persisted. It was because of the indiscriminate killing of Igbos everywhere in Nigeria that led to that statement that let us be on our own. Since we cannot be here and they'll be killing us. The man who led to foiling the coup had to rise in defense of his people. Our people should not be killed anymore. And it was prevailed upon to declare the Republic of Biafra as the only possible solution then. Otherwise, if he wanted anything of the sort, the way they are putting it to happen, he will not frustrate his brothers that organized the coup. Ojukwu shall rest in peace.
Amen.
So this is the truth. And the earlier for you, my brothers, I'm very grateful